Hi there, so welcome back. Today I'm doing a little thrift haul. Everything that I have included in this video is thrifted in Hong Kong, which is where I live right now. I've actually posted a video already about the places that I thrift at in Hong Kong, and so you can check that out if you want to know where I'm doing it. I'll also include all the information in the description. Yeah, this is my second Hong Kong thrift haul video. Everything that I've included in this haul are thrifted in those places, as well as Carousell. Not sponsored, but Carousell is kind of like the same as Poshmark and Depop in the sense that people sell secondhand stuff, but it's more general, as they, you can buy cars and property if you want. I would consider it thrifting because secondhand, it's not from like some retail store, and you really do have to sift through a lot of different clothes to really get like good pieces. So I've included some here. Let's get started. I'm sorry, is it really loud? Also, I got a new camera and a lens.
So we're starting off with a little cute black top. It is quite simple, but I was really intrigued by the little lace details, and it just looks so cute. It's also super flowy and comfortable, and I really adore this. It's got like this baby doll kind of look. Next we have this super cute long sleeved Nike tee. It was originally longer, of course, but I did crop it, and I just love the blue and the white. I have a pair of shoes that are in this type of blue, so I feel like this is perfect. Now this Harley Davidson long sleeved tee is crazy. It is beautiful, vintage vibes all around. It's bedazzled actually, and it just is the most amazing thing. The sleeves have this little zipper, so you can unzip and zip it. It's quite oversized, so I can do a off-the-shoulder type of moment, and I just feel super rocker and be a doobie vibes. Next, I have this pretty simple and cute top. I was really intrigued by this because of the lace trimming, but also because of the high square neckline. Not sure, gave me kind of 60s vibes. Now this is my favorite thing that I've gotten recently. It is this vintage Guess sweater. The colors are beautiful, the most vintage looking thing that I own. And this was not cheap, and I got it on Carousell. I do not regret the money that I spent on this because I love this so much. Now I've actually featured this top in one of my other videos, but this is a little peachy striped t-shirt, and it's got this little Ralph Lauren logo on it, and I find it really cute and it's super comfortable. Now this Hilfiger sweater is amazing. It's got this really cool UK-esque Hilfiger design at the front, and on one of the sleeves it has their logo, and it's so stinking fucking cute. This next top is something that I wear very often. It is this weird kind of knit sweater top, button-up t-shirt type thing, which was originally a cardigan of sorts, but I cut it and now it looks amazing, right? It's so unique. I love the colors. Not thrifted, but this is my new mask, and it is white laced fabric. Beautiful.
I'm done. So that is it for today. I am sweating so much because my aircon broke, and I am trying on sweaters and changing in and out of things, and it's just way too hot, man. This was really fun. I think my style has kind of gotten a lot better since the last video, so just let me know if you like these fashion videos. All the jewelry that I'm wearing, well, these and this, are from my little brand Wackjems. You can follow Wackjems on Instagram and order your own. Anyways, I'm gonna try to post regularly now. Yeah, she says that, but I don't know. Right now, I'm like always just like waiting for like bursts of inspiration and like whether I feel like it or not, which I feel like is pretty healthy because then I have like kind of a good relationship with YouTube. But we'll see how it goes. I really like just like posting whenever I want, and since I don't really have an audience, like it doesn't really matter. Like if I want to make a little money off of this, like I've got to be consistent, you know. We'll see when the next video is. So yeah, this was super fun. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time. Peace.